Oh, 121. Okay, that was a lot faster. All right, guys, we are here back at the field. It's a nice, beautiful day today, and I am doing a speed test. I got one of these Fly RC. I can link it in the description for you. It's a kind of a dumbed down. I'll show it to you in a little bit, but because I'm running out of battery on it, it's got about less than half battery. So I'm going to test the speed on the 3S, the 3S 2200 Mini Delta Fighter, and then I'm going to test it on the Pocket Rocket in 64mm 6S. So I just want to see kind of where these speeds are. We got actually a lot more wind than I figured we were going to have today. It's coming right in my face right now, so I'm going to get this thing flying. All right, I got the speed meter in there. I had to compensate a little bit for the CG just to get it. Now, I wanted to pitch up in a second ago. Let me try it again. There we go. Nice straight toss. Okay, so we're just going to do a couple speed passes. Now, the way I'm flying, the speed is going to read as true because I am not going in. I'm not going into the wind, and I'm not going what do you call it, downwind. So full speed. Pretty level, keeping it nice and straight and level. All right, let's see, back off the throttle a little bit, full throttle again. That's a little down. I didn't mean to go down, just kind of did it because the way I like my planes trimmed is I like them to be slightly nose up, just a little bit, so when you're landing you don't have to really focus that much on keeping it just wanted to slow it down a little bit. You don't really need to focus too much on pulling any back elevator. All right, so I feel good about that. I feel like we got a decent amount of I think I'm gonna actually have to slow this thing down a little bit more because I'm lazy. No, I'll just put it down. Nice and smooth. Okay, so I'm going to cut this here. Oh no, I'm going to show you guys right away what the speed is rather than cutting it, because I don't want you to think I'm playing any trickery here. All right, this is not, I'm not expecting anything magical here. 95 miles an hour. Can you see that? Can you guys see that? 95? That is impressive. Wow. Okay, wow. I was thinking 80 at the highest. So 95 miles an hour. This is cool. I am gonna put the Pocket Rocket up right now, and I'm gonna cut this real quick, and I'm gonna get back to you. All right, guys, we're back. 95 miles an hour for the Mini Delta. That was a 3S. Now, okay, I'm just gonna get this rubber band in the right orientation here, just for my own sanity. Okay, there we go. So 95 miles an hour on the Mini Delta. Let me just double check the CG on this. It's a little bit nose heavy, which I don't really want. I'm gonna bring it back just a tad. Okay. Now, I forgot to put Velcro on the speed meter, so I need to make sure that I'm not gonna screw up anything with the CG, with the speed meter. I don't want any issues with that. So we're gonna get a speed reading here on this 6S. I'm expecting it to be faster than the 95. I think this should definitely break the 100. So let's see. All right, let's see what we got. That is level. That is very level. Try it again. No wind. This thing is so dead straight, it's crazy. Dead straight. All right, I'm gonna bring it in. Bring her in. I know she glides, so I'm gonna try to. Oh, sorry, I didn't know you were there. All right, let's see what we got. Let's see. Oh my God, did the wind do that? Did the wind do that to the rubber band? Or did the... No, I think the landing did it. Let's see what we got. This is just loose, bouncing around in here. 105. Only 105. That is crazy. That is just insanity right there. The fact that this is... Wow, I mean, I'm mystified right now. That's only 105. And my 3S went 95 miles an hour versus a 6S, 64 millimeter. So that just goes to show that that you never really know for sure aerodynamically what's going to happen with something like designed with a nacelle or just EDF out in the open. So that's very interesting. 10 mile an hour difference between the two. That is absolutely crazy. I mean, I am a little bit confused. It is warm today. Jeez. Okay, let me see. We're at 390 on the battery. I can take this up again. I was a little bit nose heavy. 388. I might as well take this one up again. It was a little bit nose heavy, and I didn't like the way that it felt. Nose heavy, you just really don't have as much authority. I already have this thing ready to go and armed. Let's see what my oh yeah, that's way back. Just a little bit. Okay, let's see where we're at here with the weight. I am right on the nubs. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this again. I want to see if I have any more aileron. Nope. My elevator's at 125. So that's funny. It just, I guess I'm just comparing it to the Delta Fighter. This is made to be way more of a smooth flying, speed type plane. So yeah, you're not going to have as much elevator on the Pocket Rocket. So let's throw this guy back up. All right, so I moved the CG. Oh yeah, now yeah. See, if you're dead on the nubs, your CG is going to be beautiful, and it's tracking just like a laser beam. All right, let's see. It's pretty straight. Maybe down a tad. Give the battery a second to cool. Or the ESC really is what I'm more concerned about. Let's go down to the speed pass. This is into the wind. I don't know why I'm wasting battery. I'm gonna bring her up here. Ready? One more pass. All right. Looks good. Look good to me. I think that's all we need. Let's Let's see, bring her in. And she needs a lot of glide slope. A lot of gliding area. Oh. All right. Sometimes you can't tell speed. You can't judge speed when the plane's coming right at you. It's always better to have it out in front. That was a rookie mistake on my part. I don't want to get close to the other guy here flying. He's to the right of me, and I don't want to land in his feet. So let's see if we can best this. I'm going to put a different 3S in the Mini Delta, and I'm going to see if the other 3S maybe packs a little bit more punch, and see if that makes a difference. Hopefully I have battery on the speedometer. Let's see what we got. Here we go. Oh, 121. Okay, that was a lot faster. So 121. Now that could be, okay, that could be going downhill a little bit. I don't really know. I'm not sure, but let's just assume that was a little downhill. But you know what? A number's a number. So 121 is what it is. Let's get this put in here. How do we reset? Enter? Record. Okay. So 121. I know I'm not going to beat that, so that's why I reset the thing. Let's see which different. Let's see if the Z battery here. Let's see how many amps we have, or volts. Okay, 393. So we can do a quick flight here. Let's use the Z. Canopy weight. It's going to take that up. I'm trying to be quick for you guys because I know this is probably boring for you. All right, right on the nubs. Okay, so I'm going to pair the Mini Delta. I'm going to select system setup, model select, Mini Delta fighter. Okay guys, let's get another speed reading here. Wow, the wind has changed direction like 3 times. It's crazy. All right, so 120 something was our last one on the pocket rocket, and this we're gonna see what it does. All right, here we go. Ready? Pretty much crosswind. Yeah, this thing is fast. Holy, wow. The little 3S. Who would have thought? All right, let's see. Ooh. Getting a little crazy in the wind. All right, ready? Full throttle. It is going full right now. I'm trying to keep it level and straight. All right, there you go. I'm just gonna fly her around a little bit. What's weird is, like, my brain tells me, oh, bring it in and just check the meter. But I have, like, I don't know, 2 more minutes on this battery. I would think it was at like 390. So it's funny how your brain, I guess because I'm carrying extra weight because of the speed meter. It's like 40 grams or something like that. And it's like, it's not the same plane. It's a different plane. It's not supposed to weigh 40 grams more than it does. And it still flies fantastic no matter what. But let's get this thing. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna take it around one more time. Take it around. That was a little bit rough there. All right, let's see what kind of speed we got here. Mini Delta fighter. I think I mentioned I don't know if I mentioned in one of my videos, I am not a fan of the bamboo arrow. It doesn't give a great finish, and it's not as durable as like 3D lab paran or color fab or anything like that. Okay, all right, I'm gonna not make this video forever long. Let's see. 94. Okay, so the same speed. 94 miles an hour, mini Delta fighter, all day long on 3S. That is crazy. 3S. I repeat, this is not a 4S. If I put a 4S in here, oh, and I actually did put a 4S in here by accident. I put a 4S in here, and that's when I crashed it. You would not even believe the amount of power that thing had. So I think a legit 4S in here would be a lot of fun, and I am definitely going to do that at some point. So well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the speed trials here. I'm doing this whole thing because I am building a speed only plane. So this is like kind of similar, but look at the thickness of the wing. This was more geared towards user friendliness and straight flying, and that actually worked out really well. But it's gonna be super crazy. I don't think anyone's released a file like this before, so I'll give you more updates on that soon. Thanks.